Hey guys, welcome back to Lab Cyber. Hope you're doing well. My apologies for not uploading recently. I have been very busy with other projects, but today I very quickly wanted to cover an attack that occurred a few days ago because this attack was very interesting, and it was by Nobelium. If you don't know Nobelium, they're the same gang, Cybergang, supposedly based in Russia, who last year launched a devastating attack against SolarWinds. I might cover that in another video, but apparently they were able to gain access to the constant contact account for USAid. Now, USAid apparently are an organization that deal with things like climate change, national security, and so on. And they use Constant Contact, which is an email marketing platform like ActiveCampaign, MailChimp. So they got hold of the official account and used it to send out phishing emails. And I believe about 3,000 accounts were infected, or 3,000 systems were infected with malware. But how exactly do they do it? Now, here is the official report from Microsoft from their blog, and it says Nobelium launched this week's attacks by gaining access to the Constant Contact account of USAid. Constant Contact is a service used for email marketing. From there, the actor was able to distribute phishing emails that looked authentic but included a link that, when clicked, inserted a malicious file used to distribute a backdoor we call native zone. Now, this backdoor could enable a wide range of activities, from stealing data to infecting other computers on a network. Okay, now what was this phishing email? Apparently, they crafted a phishing email claiming that Donald Trump had found new evidence about election fraud. Here is a screenshot right here, and you can see that's the account. It came from the official USAid.gov Constant Contact account. So I can't blame anybody for receiving this email and then clicking on the link that says view documents, because guess what? This came from the official account of USAid. This wasn't some random suspicious looking email account. This was from the official email account of USAid. So apparently when they clicked on view documents, they now received a folder, and this is a screenshot of the three documents in the folder. You had your documents.dll, you had a innocent looking PDF file called ICA-the class, and then a short link for reports. Now, this is where people should have realized that, hold on a second, something isn't quite right here, because if you click on view documents, ideally all you should see in the folder would be PDF files or doc files and things like that. Once you start seeing a DLL file, now to be fair, the DLL file was actually hidden, so you could say most people did not see the DLL file. However, this report's shortcut should have been the biggest indication that, hold on a second, something isn't quite right here. I don't know how old you are if you're watching this video. About 10-15 years ago, when malware and anti-malware weren't as sophisticated as they are today, usually when your system got infected with malware, one of the biggest signs was you start seeing shortcuts everywhere. Shortcuts on your desktop, all your files would have shortcuts. So shortcuts kind of became synonymous with malware. So right here, when they clicked on view documents and then they opened the folder and then they saw this report's shortcut, that should have been the sign that, hold on a second, something isn't quite right here. I should not click on this. But unfortunately, a lot of people ended up clicking on the link and a lot of systems were infected. I think about 3,000 in about 24 different countries. So we don't know the extent of the damage just yet, but I don't think it was that severe. Otherwise, we would have gotten other reports. But that's basically the attack. I will include a link to this article from CR, and they go into a bit more details on how the attack occurred. You will find the link in the box below. So that's just a very quick recap of this attack. Again, my apologies for not uploading recently. I've been very busy with other projects, but hopefully as the new month has arrived, I will find the time to begin uploading more actively as I used to. So thank you so much. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Share the video with anyone who you feel might benefit, and of course, stay safe out there, and I'll talk to you next time. Cheers.